In this problem, we want to find the exact value of cosine theta and tangent theta given that the sine of theta is 1/6 and the secant of theta is less than 0. So 1/6 is not a value on the unit circle, so we need to draw a triangle to figure this out. So we know that our sine is positive, so this angle must occur in either quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. However, the secant, which is sort of related to the cosine, is negative. So we have a negative x value and a positive y value, which makes our angle occur in quadrant 2. So our triangle might look something like this. Okay, and if the sine is 1/6, that means that the opposite side is 1 and the hypotenuse is 6. So using the Pythagorean theorem, we get 36 minus 1, which is 35. So the square root of 35 will be that missing side. And actually, we should say that this is negative square root of 35 because it's a negative x value. Alright, so now that we have our triangle, we can find any trig function we want to find. So for the cosine of theta, we can take the adjacent side over the hypotenuse, which will give us negative square root of 35 over 6. And for the tangent of theta, we can take the opposite side over the adjacent side, which will give us 1 over negative square roots of 35. And if we rationalize this fraction, we multiply by the square root of 35 over the square root of 35, which will give us negative square roots of 35 over 35. So that would be our tangent.